Ever stared at your phone, heart pounding, needing to reach before pay but unsure where to start? Maybe you've got a question about an upcoming payment, a sneaky suspicion about a charge, or perhaps you just want to know why your app suddenly decided to hibernate. Fear not, frustrated friend. This video is your lifeline to Before Pay Contact Central. Before we dive in, let's face it, navigating financial apps can feel like deciphering ancient hieroglyphics at times. Buttons blend together, menus hide in the shadows, and finding that one specific answer can feel like searching for a lost sock in the dryer. But worry not, we're about to unravel the mystery of contacting Before Pay in Australia. Option 1. Email your digital lifeline. For most situations, email is your best bet. It's convenient, keeps a record of the conversation, and allows you to craft a clear and concise message. Before Pay offers 2 email addresses depending on your inquiry. General inquiries: if you have a question about your account, upcoming repayments, or anything that doesn't fall under a specific category, shoot them an email at support@beforepay.com.au. Think of it as your Before Pay concierge, friendly, helpful, and there to answer your non-complaint related woes. Complaints Department. Now, if you're facing a more serious issue, like a dispute over a charge or a disagreement with their service, then you'll want to head to complaints@beforepay.com.au. This email ensures your complaint reaches the right team who can investigate and hopefully resolve the situation. Top tip: become an email ninja. When crafting your email, remember these golden rules. Subject line savvy: a clear and concise subject line is key. Instead of a generic help, try something like question about upcoming repayment for, store name. The more specific, the faster Before Pay can understand and address your issue. Keep it clear and concise. Nobody likes wading through a text mountain. Explain your situation clearly, but keep it brief. Bullet points can be your friend here. Attach evidence, if applicable. Did you encounter a strange charge? Did the app glitch out spectacularly? Attach screenshots or relevant documents to give Before Pay a clearer picture. Before Pay for bills? A different email channel. Before Pay recently expanded into the bill switching arena with their Compare and Save service. If your question is specifically related to this service, you'll need to use a different email address, support@billswitch.beforepay.com.au. Remember, using the correct email ensures your inquiry reaches the right team and gets resolved faster. Beyond email, exploring other avenues, but email is king. While email reigns supreme for most situations, Before Pay acknowledges that sometimes you just need a voice. Unfortunately, they don't currently offer phone support. But fear not, there might still be a way to get a human on the other end, sort of. Social media sleuthing, a last resort. Before Pay is active on social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. While they don't typically handle complex issues through these channels, you can try sending them a direct message explaining your situation. It's a long shot, but sometimes a public nudge can get a faster response than waiting on email. Remember, social media is best for quick questions or flagging a potential issue. Don't expect in-depth troubleshooting or confidential conversations through these channels. The final takeaway: patience is a virtue. No matter which method you choose, contacting any financial institution often involves some waiting time. Before Pay strives to respond to emails within minutes, but depending on the complexity of the issue, it might take a little longer. Here's the key: be patient, be clear in your communication, and if you haven't heard back within a reasonable time frame, think a few business days, follow up with a polite email. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, remember, you've got this. And hey, if you ever have any questions about other financial apps, leave a comment below and maybe we can tackle those together in a future video.